Well, the type of problems that you said Cameron Law has solved for me was I was inundated with, just overwhelmed with credit card debt. And I had some unfortunate incident that happened. I had a major surgery on my hand in which did not have the funds to be able to pay for it outright. So I had to pay for it with credit cards, and that just add more to the debt. And I was just in over my head. That was the situation that I had to figure out how to get out of it. The reason why I chose Cameron Law was that like a lot of people, I searched online and I read reviews, and some things, when I read a review, I look for common things in it, and I kind of work backwards. I look at the negative reviews and I look for common things in these reviews, and that was one thing that I did not really find with Cameron Law. And so I was like, wow, okay, I'm not really seeing, of course, everybody has a problem here or something, but there was nothing major. And that's what was my concern. And I wanted somebody that was going to be able to really provide assistance. And so that was one of the reasons. And then once I went through the consultation, even the hours. I mean, what attorney is going to be available from 10 to 10, 7 days a week? And at first I was like, wow, this must just be a gimmick, but okay, we'll see. But nah, when I called, you guys answered the phone. You were receptive to my call. And so that just really, that just really just did it for me, that the communication was there. And that's exactly what I was looking for. How it changed my life is being able to resolve this debt. I did a Chapter 7, and you guys were excellent in helping me with that. I was nervous along the way, but you guys, Cameron Law, was able to ease my, give me comfort in knowing that everything was being taken care of. And so one of the ways that it's going to change my life is going to allow me to get a fresh start. And there were some things along the way too that I actually found very, very, some of the workshop in terms of the understanding debt and how not to fall back into the trap was really good. And it was really informative for me. It was something that, we all take for granted, that we know how not to fall into debt. But, there were certain things that I was like, wow, I really had to take a look at itself. So from that aspect alone, that was one way that the counseling was able to help, just to help me with understanding my debt better and how to avoid some of those pitfalls. The next thing moving forward is that being able to have this fresh start for me is going to help me and my family. I'm looking at starting my own business and having this fresh start. I've already started to look into some things that once this bankruptcy is discharged, which got that great news today. So now I can actually start to turn some of these wheels and start to do some of my homework to go ahead and get my business going. So hopefully this time next year I'll be fully operational. And I just want to say thank you to Cameron Law for giving me the fresh start that I needed to be able to not only just get back on my feet, but actually move forward. I thank you for your due diligence and putting up with me. Because like I said, man, I'm straightforward. I was nervous along this way. And I really do thank you guys too, man. I mean, everything I said in that it's really heartfelt, man. And just, I really thank you guys. Yes, yes, yes. So thank you again.